Hi, this video is about the Nova bath and shower chair with a 500-pound weight capacity. And you'll notice the beautiful design. We've got a gorgeous almond-colored seat and back with complementary bronze legs. And the seat and back also has a slight contour, so it's very comfortable. So in addition to having a 500-pound weight capacity, it's also very lightweight. It weighs only 6 pounds, so it's so easy to move around. So this bath chair is so easy to assemble. It just takes a few minutes and there's no tools required. So I'm going to show you how to do that. When you get the product and take it out of the box, you will find 4 legs, and they have the wide tip with the drainage holes, the seat, the back, and then the backrest attachment, and 4 screws and washers. So first you're going to take the seat and back brackets, and then the screws and the washers. So with the drainage holes towards you, you're going to turn it over, and this is where you're going to install the back inserts. So you'll see that there are 2 holes in the tubes, and they will line up with the screw inserts on the back. So you're going to take each of the screws with the washer, and you're just going to insert them into the screw insert. And now you're going to insert the legs. Now, each of the legs has 2 push button areas. The lower push button allows you to adjust the legs to your desired height, and you can do that after it's assembled, and you want to make sure that all 4 legs are the exact same desired height. The top button is going to allow you to insert the legs. So you just simply push the button, make sure it comes out on the whole insert. All right, now your legs are attached. Now the last step, we are going to insert the back. And you'll notice also that we've got the push buttons back here. You're going to insert the back. You're going to push the button, give it a nudge, and then push it all the way down, and you're going to see that the push buttons come outward on there. Give it a tug to make sure it's all secure. All right, there you go. Your bath seat is all assembled. And as with all of Nova products, it will come with our care use assembly information, and most importantly, our customer service information, so you can contact us anytime.